In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autoplay on Facebook. If you've ever been distracted by videos starting on their own, or you want to save data and keep things quieter as you scroll, this quick setting will make a big difference. Start by opening Facebook and heading to Settings. This is where all your account controls live, and it's the best place to manage how the app behaves. Depending on your device, the settings area might be tucked under the menu icon or your profile picture. But once you're there, you'll see categories for everything from privacy to notifications. Next, choose Accessibility. This section is designed to help you tailor the visual and motion experience to your preferences. It's also where Facebook groups features that reduce on-screen movement, which is especially helpful if you're sensitive to motion or simply prefer a calmer feed. Inside Accessibility, select Video and Motion. Think of this as your control center for how videos behave. You'll find options that affect movement, animation, and how videos start when they appear on your screen. Now, find the autoplay option and toggle it off. When this switch is off, videos won't start playing automatically as you scroll. You're still in control. You can tap any video to play it when you're ready, but they won't jump to life on their own. This small change can reduce distractions, cut down on data usage, and keep unexpected audio from interrupting your day. Once autoplay is off, you'll notice your feed feels more intentional. Videos will load as still previews and only play when you choose. This applies across the app, including the videos you come across while browsing your feed or viewing pages. If you manage content or browse frequently, it's a cleaner, quieter experience. A couple of quick tips. If the autoplay option isn't where you expect, make sure your app is up to date and use the settings search to find autoplay. Sometimes the label or placement can vary slightly by device or region, but it will be in the video or motion-related controls. Also, remember that you can always return to this setting and turn autoplay back on if your needs change. That's it, simple and effective. By going to Settings, tapping Accessibility, selecting Video and Motion, and toggling autoplay off, you've taken control of how videos behave on Facebook. Enjoy a calmer feed and a better browsing experience.